Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 design is confirmed. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you're all doing well. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 design gets leaked and it is now confirmed what kind of a design we are going to get in Flip 4. And surprise, surprise, Samsung is changing the hinge design on the Z Flip 4 as well, which was rumored before for Z Fold 4. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 will going to hit the market in the upcoming Samsung August event along with Fold 4, Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Buds. To my surprise, Samsung is cutting down the profit margin for the both Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4, and that is how they cut the price on the both devices. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below. Do you like the design on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4? Ice Universe just shared a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 cases, where we see the design just like the last generation. But the interesting thing is, he said the hinge part of the cover has changed a lot and become very narrow, which means a new updated hinge design. Not just that, it can be lighter and way more durable than the last year's Z Flip 3. And display seems like a little bigger. Well, if we really want to see a real difference, we need to check both phones side by side since the difference is very minimal. Meanwhile, Samsung is cutting down the profit margin on the both foldable devices, where last year profit margins were 20% and this time Samsung is sticking with only 15% to reach the more consumers and potentially cutting down the price on it. Now first, it was rumored around $100 cut, but according to a new news by Anthony, we may see Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 starting at $949, just a $50 cut from a last generation Z Flip 3. Now what updates you can expect from Z Flip 4? Bigger outer display, potentially over 2 inches as stated by Ross Young, display supply chain consultant. Bigger battery of 3700 mAh and faster charging at 25 watt. While honestly, this charging speed is just fine, not too fast compared to the other competitors. Smaller crease, as we talked earlier, due to the new hinge design we may see a smaller crease, but the crease will still be visible according to the leaks and rumors and will be more durable than the last year's Z Flip 3. With these updates and less priced than the last generation, we may see Z Flip 4 go big in sales, but Motorola Razr 3 will be its bigger competitor since it is the only Flip 4 competitor and with better cameras and bigger outer display than the Z Flip 4. Let's see how this all goes, but still an amazing tech will going to hit the market in August. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below. Do you like the design on the Z Flip 4? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.